I'm going to show you how to assemble for a 22 or newer Genesis G70 the dreaded coffee Dr. Pepper conundrum when the buttons get stuck. So mine was the traction on off button. So I've seen videos on how to remove the entire thing from the car, but nothing on how to disassemble this piece to be able to clean it. So here's the video on how to assemble it. To disassemble is just the opposite. So first, we're going to take the button mechanism. There are two clips, or two nubs, one and then two. They are going to go in there. Like so. Push down until you hear a click. And we are good. Next piece will be the fancy button piece. There's two clips, one and two. Same thing, goes in, push it to the clicks, and there we go. Next is the drive mode. So this has two clips, one and then two's on the other side, and they go inside, there, one, two, the barrel. So what we're going to do is hopefully flip this over, put the barrel in, like so, flip it upside down, and then put the fancy piece on. This is a little challenging. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick it up, hopefully with the barrel, or not. This slides in, like so. Push it till you hear it click. There. And should be good. Next is the electronic mechanism, which goes there. That's the back side of it, because if you're wondering, it does have like a D shaft that goes into that slot.